Hey everyone, this is Mark, and in this video we're going to be talking about conditional executions in Java. So conditional executions in Java are the if and else statements that execute blocks of code if the condition of the if or else statement has been satisfied. So for example, now here I will be using the interactions pane for this demonstration. So first I type in int number is equals to 1 to initialize the integer number to 1, and then use the number to compare the number is equals to 1. So if the number is equals to 1, the following if statement will execute this body or block of code if the condition is satisfied. So test it out. Yes, if the number is definitely equal to 1, therefore it executes the blocks after it. Now this time, I added an else statement after the if statement. So the else statement executes if the prior if statement has not been satisfied. It will regardless execute the block of code if the prior conditions has not been satisfied. So right here, I set the condition, the number is equals to 0, which is obviously not true because number is equals to 1. It's not going to execute at all, or even read the following block of code inside the if statement. It will jump straight to the else statement. Since there's only one if statement, it will go straight to the else statement and execute the system.out.println. No, this is incorrect. So let's see. So now we have the three statements right here. First statement is the if statement, which executes the block of code if the condition has been set for it been satisfied, and the else if statement, which is almost exactly the same thing as the first if statement, but will only execute if the first if statement is not true, and if the condition has been set to it is also true. So either of the two can only be executed. If these two is still doesn't satisfy the condition that has been set to it, the else statement will execute its code. So let's test it out. Now right here, obviously the number is equals to 1 is the right answer for it. So the second if statement, which is the else if, will be executed. Now here I have multiple if statements, and all of them are true. So which one of them, or which block of code, will be executed? Will all of them will be executed at once, or just one of them? To find out, let's run it. So it seems that the first if statement is the only one that's been executed. So therefore, if the Java compiler has found something from the if-else statement or expression is true, it will just leave everything out, just forget about it, and then execute the first one. Now I have here a short program, a Java program that for the picture class that modifies a picture object as a filter. It's like a vignette filter, which utilizes the if statement. So what it does, I'm going to show you what I mean. This is the original picture, this filtered picture with a vignette filter. So what it does is it dims the surrounding parameter of the picture. It's like dimming from the center out, which sort of focuses the image at the center of the picture. So I'm just going to touch upon briefly on the inside of my code, which is the important thing is that I utilize this if possible because of the conditional statement that I wrote right here. So if the distance is greater than for this distance, it will only execute or modify the current pixel in the loop if the condition has been satisfied. So this is one way to use an if-else statement. There's a lot of ways that you use it. This is not the only thing that you should be doing it. And also, if statement can be alone without an else statement. It's basically just isolating this code for a condition. So a certain condition, it doesn't have to have an else statement right along it. So this is Java conditional execution. Hope you like it, and good luck, everyone.